In this video, we're going to show you how to install the ignition coil boot on your Volvo XC60 located on your engine. With the hood open, go ahead and locate the engine cover. You're going to go ahead and with two hands, grab each side and gently wiggle upward. You're going to dislodge the 4 rubber grommets securing this. Remove that cover and set it aside. With the engine cover off, you can go ahead and locate your ignition coils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In order to remove these here, we're going to start by disconnecting the electrical connector. You're going to pinch on the little spring clip here, pinch and pull. On the opposite end, you can find an 8mm bolt. We're going to use our socket and ratchet. Go ahead, loosen. Spin that out. Remove that, set it aside. Don't lose it, we'll be reusing that later. Go ahead and grab your ignition coil, gently twist and lift up, and there you go. Now let's go ahead and replace the ignition coil boots. I want to go ahead and start by pulling off the rubber boot here. Now in most cases you can pop those off, but they might be stuck on there just from age. Grab a pocket screwdriver and just get underneath the edge here, and you can go ahead and start to peel that off. That one's definitely dry rotted and splitting. It's easy enough to tear that right out. On the inside, you're going to find a little coil spring. I want to go ahead and pop this out, like so. On the top side here, we have another seal. Good, peel that off. Now you want to pay attention to the orientation of the seal here. I'm going to slide that down. Go ahead and grab the new one, make sure it's facing the correct position, and slide that up and on. Our next step is you want to go ahead and grab the coil, little spring here. You want to line that up down inside, drop that in, and then grab the boot end here, slide it on and over. Your coil is ready to install. And we put a thin coat of some silicone paste on the rubber boot, and we put just a little dab, just a little bit on the inside there as well. Go ahead and drop that down inside. Push it down onto the spark plug. And go ahead and get that bolt started. And in most cases, you can just spin that down almost all the way by hand. Grab your ratchet. And we just want to snug this down gently. Once it bottoms out, just a tiny bit. Go ahead and grab the electrical connector, line that up, and push it on. Now you're going to repeat this process for the other 5 cylinders. Now when we install the engine cover, there's going to be 4 points of contact, here, 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 and here. Line up your oil fill. And once that's lined up, it pretty much lines up itself, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.